Hello, in this video I want to show you how to add website icon shortcut to your homepage on Xiaomi Redmi Note 12S. And to do this, we'll need to open our browser. Right here, find the website you want to add as a shortcut. Then click on the three dots on the top right corner of the screen and select Add to Home Screen. Here you can already name this shortcut, and I'm gonna call it Hard Reset. Click on Add, and now if we go back to our home screen, there's Hard Reset icon, and if we click on it, it instantly opens this website. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.